Alright, this is just a product review of the newborn Bootie looms from CinDWood Craft. Now the looms come in two sizes. You can have 1/2 inch gauge or 5/8 inch gauge, so this is really the difference. And the 1/2 inch has 15 pegs, the 5/8 inch has 12 pegs, and you can purchase these looms by themselves, or you can purchase them as part of the adult 4-piece loom set, which the links for both of those are in the description below. These looms are also really good to do like hand covers for the babies as well. You can do thin scarves. So there's quite a bit of little things that you can do with these as well, other than just baby booties. That's really all I have for these. Just wanted to give you a comparison and show you what they were like. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Any comments or questions, leave them in the description, in the comment section below. Thank you.